Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Is there much difference in the tool or the tactics you use based on the different types of carpet you're dealing with?
Yeah, there can be, yeah, because you have a loop pile carpet. You have, which is, you don't want to grab a hold of one of those fibers and pull and yank, because then it's just going to continue to yank and pull, right? So you have to be careful on which tools we're using. So we got a rotary machine. We don't want to use that on that, but we got a wand tool that we will use. And so, we inspect the carpet, make sure we're using the proper tools on your carpet to make sure it's going to be safe and protected.
Now, I'll be honest with you. I'm a little bit embarrassed with how old the carpet is in our house. But every time we have y'all come out and clean it, they say the same thing. Do not replace this carpet.
Yeah. I mean, if you're cleaning it, you don't need to replace it. You can get clean.
And I guess there's just something about that carpet. And it was good carpet when we put it in, but you can't get carpet like that anymore. This is good carpet. But I think there's a couple rooms there I think we're going to have to cave in.
Yes. Hey, a lot of people are going to hard surfaces, which is fine too. But yeah, it depends on what you are. But each flooring systems we can get to.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.